Hi everyone, Steve here with eTrailer. Today we're taking a look at our Fill-Rite 115 volt AC powered 15 gallon per minute fuel transfer pump. So folks, if you own maybe an RV, a toy hauler, this type of fuel transfer pump is a great option for transferring fuel from auxiliary tanks or portable containers into RVs, toys on trailers, or even tow vehicles, especially when boondocking or heading out on long trips. It's been a trusted solution for many, many years, also for light vehicle, commercial users with truck bed transfer tanks, agricultural uses, those kind of things. If you spend any time on the highway, there's a good chance you've seen a red Fill-Rite pump mounted in a truck bed onto a transfer tank. Now this guy is powered by a 115 volt AC motor. You got 3 wires coming out of here, red, black, and green. Make sure you're checking the instructions on how to get that wired up. What's neat about this is that you can rotate this junction box 180 degrees, and that's going to give you flexibility during installation, giving you a clean, professional setup that meets your needs. The housing and everything is built of a durable cast iron construction, and it has a thermally protected motor inside. And the pump itself is made to handle tough conditions while preventing overheating during use. Inside of this pump is a reliable rotary vane pump technology, and that's going to give you that 15 gallon per minute. That's going to be great for filling up generators, toy hauler tanks, and equipment. Pretty much stuff in the 15 to 60 gallon range. Now on the bottom here, under the pickup pump here, you have a built-in little screen filter. You probably can't see it, but it's inside of there. And that's going to help filter out anything that's going to, try to get inside your fuel system or equipment. So it's going to filter out those large particles. On the top here, you have this elbow, and traditionally you would see maybe an inline filter somewhere here that then goes to the hose to then come over here to where the nozzle will be placed, and that would be your nice first line of protection as far as filter. Now obviously that filter and that stuff's not included. You need to purchase that separately, either locally or at eTrailer. Now this pump is compatible with gasoline, diesel, ethanol blends up to E15, biodiesel blends up to B20, it can do kerosene, mineral spirits. So this is a very versatile solution, again, for RV, toy hauler owners, and construction use, agricultural use, those kind of things. Now you do have this nozzle boot, as they're calling it. That's where your nozzle is going to go in place here. You have your on-off lever here, and then you have this bar here that you can put a padlock or some kind of lock through the fueling handle. That way you can keep it locked, that way no one can come up and steal your fuel and those kind of things. Now one last thing before we go, folks, this uses a 30-minute duty cycle, and it uses a standard 2-inch bung mounting. So the transfer pump will give you dependable long-term fueling so you can spend less time prepping, more time enjoying your adventures outdoor. Well, folks, that will wrap up our quick look together. I'm Steven. As always, reach out to us if you have any questions about this or any other products, and have a great day.